Good morning, Siouxland. I'm meteorologist Caitlin Lohr, and today in Classroom 9, I'm going to teach you all about the water cycle. The water cycle is a constant process that is always going on around us, even though we can't always see it, and I'll touch on that in just a moment. So the water cycle is a process where you have water evaporating from the Earth's surface, then it cools and condenses and forms a cloud. From there, the water droplets, ice crystals, get heavy, they fall, which is precipitation, so you get either snow or rain, and then the process starts over by that rain running back off into the Earth's surface. Now, what all does that mean? And we're going to take this step by step. The first step is evaporation. Evaporation is when your water vapor evaporates up into the Earth's atmosphere, and that water vapor evaporates off of bodies of water like lakes, rivers, streams. It can also evaporate off of plantation, which is, in that term, is called transpiration. So after you have the evaporated water vapor up in the air, it's just kind of sitting there. What does it do next? The second step is when it cools and condenses, and that's when you get the formation of a cloud. So now you have water droplets or ice crystals, and that depends on the temperature. The colder the temperature, the more likely you are to have ice crystals. The warmer the temperature, the more likely you are to have water droplets up in those clouds. So now you have these clouds full of these water droplets or ice crystals. Well, eventually, that cloud is going to just get too heavy and can't hold all those water droplets or ice crystals. And that is when you get precipitation, which is your rain showers, or your snow showers. And again, that all depends on temperature. The colder it is, below 32 degrees, you're going to get snow. Above 32 degrees, you're most likely to get rain. And that is in Fahrenheit. So now you have this precipitation falling. You have your rain or your snow falling. From there, it reaches the Earth's surface, and it goes either back into bodies of water, and that term is runoff. So your rain or your melted snow runs off of the Earth's surface back into bodies of water, or it gets absorbed by that plantation, and now you are back at the first step of evaporation. This process, or the water cycle is what this is called, is constantly happening around us regardless if we can see it or not, and by seeing it or not is when you get rain or snow, and that is the part of the process you can see along with the formation of clouds. For more little lessons like this, as well as fun little weather-related experiments, be sure to head to SiouxlandProud.com, find under the Weather tab, and look for Classroom 9.